This is Biju presenting the mainframe automation steps done by Reservation 2 team. We have written steps in Java to create different types of PNR. The different types of PNR are ATO, CTO PNR, GDS PNR, OL PNR, code share PNR, and reverse code share PNR. These are the dates supplied for the air segments, and these are the sectors, and these are the SSRs which we are planning to book over the respective PNRs. Okay. Now we could see that the PNRs are booked in a very short time frame of 19 seconds. This is the normal EK online PNR, and this is the Amadeus PNR, GDS PNR basically, and the third one is the OL segment, PNR with OL segment, and the fourth is the code share one, and the fifth is the PNR with reverse code share segment.